live on YouTube today. Uh, when I announced the 21 days fundamental analysis challenge, I was not really sure whether a lot of people will show so much response to this or not. But I must say I am super happy with the amazing response that you all have given. And it said that problem of plenty is always a good problem to have. Okay, that shows that so many people who actually want to learn more and more. And इसी बात पर I think शायरी बनती है. So if you want to listen to some शायरी today, I just thought Sunday mood. Generally Thursday live streams are like, no, we have to discuss Nifty, we have to discuss what are the latest news in the market, this that. So generally it's like to the point, tuck, 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 tuck. But today I thought I should start with a shairi. What say? And if you want to hear this shairi, you can just say what is to be said. Irshad. You can type Irshad. Wow, wow. Bhavna has said Irshad. Chalo, at least 2-3 people saying Irshad. Shivam says, saw you at Vaishali today. Yes, I've gone for a cup of coffee. Sunday special. Only Bhavna is saying Irshad. Is it that I have to say the shairi only for Bhavna? Chalo, Afsar is also saying that happy soul keval kya baat hai Irshad Irshad. So अर्ज है, देते न थे जो कभी जवाब हमें, वो आज सलाम करने लगे. देते न थे जो कभी जवाब हमें, वो आज सलाम करने लगे. हालात ऐसे बदले कि नीम के पेड़ पर भी आम आने लगे. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. I heard this शायरी, I just loved it. कि नीम के पेड़ पर भी आम आने लगे. वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है. So yes, many people are saying wow in the comment section as well. Now, why this shairi and why is it relevant to today's live stream? Because many a times, of course, there are different ways through which you can impress yourself first. Impressing others is a different thing, but I think impressing yourself is the first thing. I always impress myself by learning new and new things, right? I always feel that whenever I actually learn something, I feel okay, chalo ye to aa raha hai, I know this, what next is always what I feel. So I always believe that whenever it comes to learning, there should not be any full stop. There can be a comma or slight pause is what I can say, but it just can't be a full stop. So how can we better our fundamental analysis learning process is what actually I was thinking through. So that was when I actually thought about coming up with this 21 days challenge. And I'll quickly tell you what is this 21 days challenge, because my WhatsApp, the office WhatsApp is flooded with the inquiries. There are so many people who have already joined the challenge. Before I tell you about this 21 days challenge, I will quickly share my screen so that I can tell you that how many people have already joined this challenge. And feel so good that there are a lot of people who really want to learn more and more and who want to upskill themselves. That is the biggest point, is what I believe is really important. This is the 21 days fundamental analysis challenge. 166 participants have already enrolled. Actually 250 plus members have already enrolled for Invest in India. Baki azun झोपलेले आहेत काही जण. There are some people who have enrolled for the Invest in India membership, but they are yet to sign up for the challenge. Okay, so almost 250 plus people already in the challenge right now. And the best part, if you can see here, best part, acha, more than 250 or what? Active members 302, kya baat hai. So these many number of members are there, but out of that only 166 have enrolled for the challenge. By the way, this challenge is exclusively for the Invest in India members. Okay, the best part is, I'm telling you, this is a challenge where people across 22 different countries are participating. That is the beauty of our community. That is the beauty of all the people across the globe who have come on the same platform and who believe that yes, India is a place to invest. And if this is the place to invest, we must get our fundamentals right so that the next 5 to 6 years is where we can really level up our investing game. I always say that it's not about buying shares today, selling it on the same day, buying shares today, selling it tomorrow. No, I believe that two things are important. Number one, you should understand which stocks to buy, and number two, when to buy. For which stocks to buy, you have to have your fundamental analysis, right? And for when to buy, I use technical analysis, right? But I'll be very honest with you, I've said this so many times on our channel that I don't rely only and only on technical analysis. So for example, if there is a stock where I can see a breakout, I see some chart pattern, I see some nice price action, but I feel that the fundamentals of that stock are not showing up nicely, I would not invest in that stock, right? So step number one, my theme of investing, my viewpoint of investing is always first understand the basics. And here you can see there are so many people, majority of them are from India. That's around 50%, because I showed you here almost 302 people are there as a part of our Invest in India community. But out of that 148, so roughly 50% from India, but 50% people are outside the world. 17 from UAE, whatever. Okay, fantastic. So feels good, feels such, I mean, that's an amazing, feeling where so many people are wanting to know how to invest in India. So if that be so, big question is that what am I going to get in this Invest in India membership? What all are the perks of this Invest in India membership? What is going to be done in this challenge? So first things first is that step number one is you will have to be a part of Invest in India membership. Then you are eligible to be a part of 21 days fundamental analysis challenge. Okay, first step is clear. Second step, in this fundamental analysis challenge, every day one video will be delivered on your mobile. Okay, on the app, one video, or on the platform, one video will be given to you. What you have to do is watch that video carefully. Okay, based on that video, we'll have a question for you. Okay, that is a part of that challenge. You have to answer that question correctly, and one will be an allied question, right? So for example, if you know that crude oil is right now at almost a 6 months high, so we have to first understand basics of crude oil. So first you will get a video wherein I'll explain all the basics of crude oil. Then there'll be one question about crude oil, and second question which is something related to latest news that is happening around crude oil, just as an example, right? Because crude also impacts stock market, crude also impacts a lot of sectors, crude impacts specific stocks. So if you want to understand how to analyze various sectors, this challenge is for you. There are so many people who have asked me, but Rachana, we have not done your course on fundamental analysis. There is a course on my website, rachanaranade.com. On that, there is a separate fundamental analysis course. So there are few people who have not yet enrolled for that course. Is it fine for them to join this 21 days challenge? Absolutely yes. It is just that if you want to learn about fundamental analysis, about basics, you can learn. It is absolutely okay if you don't have a lot of knowledge around fundamental analysis, right? Abha asks, I'm a pro investor. How do I participate in this challenge? Am I eligible? Abha, this is not a perk of our pro investor membership. This is a part of our Invest in India community, right? So if you want to invest in this community as well, you can definitely join the community. I have already pinned the link of our community in the description box. Plus, super important now, only last 2 days are remaining, including today. So last 1 day and something number of hours are remaining. In these last 2 days, because this is the first ever fundamental analysis 20 days challenge that I have announced. That is the reason why I thought that I should be giving very good discount. And that is the reason why I'm going to give a flat 50% off on my monthly membership. So here's the code for you, RR50. I'm repeating, RR50 is the coupon code for monthly membership if you are wanting to join the Invest in India community. And if you want to join for the yearly membership, CARR50. Okay, CARR50 is the coupon code. I'm repeating here for yearly membership. It is there in the pinned comment, but still I thought I should again, write it for you. RR50 is for monthly membership. CARR50 is for yearly membership. I'm repeating that last 2 days, including today, if you want to get this 50% discount, after that we'll be withdrawing the discount. So just last 2 days if you want to enroll. Ayush is saying that website it's not accepting your debit card. Ayush, if you're facing some problem, I will just quickly share a number. It's one of my team member has this. Just share the number. It is 70385224662. 70385 This is the number of our technical team. They can help you out if there is any problem while you want to enroll for our Invest in India community, right? I'm repeating, this is not a community for trading. This is not a community where you are going to get stock tips. I never give stock tips. I never believe in intraday trading. I believe in creating wealth over a long period of time. And if you want to create wealth over a long period of time, then you should get your basics right. Okay. If you want to enroll, I'm again mentioning steps are simple. Just go I've already pinned it. I've already pinned the link of our community. So pinning two things is difficult, right? So if you want to enroll, first thing you'll just have to visit the website, and you can use the coupon code as I mentioned. Just quickly to give you an idea about which different sectors will you get to know about. I'm just going to quickly read out. I've made a list of which sectors you'll come to know. It's jewelry, economics, FMCG, paint, banking, insurance, NBFC, then something about unlisted companies as well. You'll get to know about some key ratios, macroeconomic factors, QSR, defense, automobile, IT, energy, hotels, railway, renewable, or kya chahiye. So there are so many sectors which you are going to get an exposure to. This is only and only for those who want to level up their knowledge game. Those who want to know about certain tips to get rich, this is not for you. Please don't join. You will be highly disappointed. Okay. Only and only if you want to, learn more, this is the right platform for you. Raviji saying, seems like it's an off for Pooja ji. All work being done by Rachana ma'am today. Pooja ji has created the link. I'm not sure if Pooja is there in the live stream or not. I didn't ask her to join. But yes, Ravi ji, I came to know that you have also joined. Fantastic. That shows that, I'm sure Ravi ji has been a part of our channel since what, 2020, 21. And still he has enrolled for this 21 days challenge. And that shows the thirst and hunger to learn more and more. So amazing, right? That's Are kya baat hai? Pooja is saying present. I am here. All right, all right. Raviji says since 2020. Kya baat hai? Okay. No, so yes, very good question, Shashank. It's only a 21 days challenge. Then why do we need to take a yearly membership? Fantastic question, Shashank. So basically, 21 days challenge is just a part of the membership. You're not going to enroll only for the 21 days challenge. You will be a part of the Invest in India community, right? So, for example, some perks are that a separate WhatsApp group is, so it's a community group, right? Only for those who invest in India community, number one. Number two, you will get stock of the month, which is there only for pro investor members. That is also one of the perks for the Invest in India community members. So what all things do you get? Number one, you get an access to the stock of the month. So already released day before yesterday, that also you will get to access. So basically you get access to 4 videos which have been released for this year, and plus year-long videos. So one video every month, fundamentally strong stock video, so that you can learn about stocks from different sectors. Okay, I'm repeating, this is not a stock tip. You will understand how to analyze companies from different sectors. So just to give you an example, I did one video from defense sector last month. This time I've done an auto IT sector based company. Uske pehle I had done one related to how do I say that? Map My India. Chalo, I'll tell the name directly. Okay. So there'll be different stock of the month. So every month you'll get one video with 30 minutes plus detailed analysis to understand what does the company do, to understand the whole industry, right? So it's going to be really in-depth knowledge about all these stocks. So that is the first perk that you get, one video every month. On the third Saturday of every month, we have one expert whom I interview, and it's a Zoom call. So you can participate in that. So it's a closed Zoom meeting where the Invest in India community members, me, and one guest talks about different aspects. It could be about taxation. It could be about investing. Okay, so you get that as a perk. You get, so Apollo is asking whether it is live or are these sessions recorded. So as I mentioned, the 21 days challenge videos are pre-recorded. They are pre-recorded. Second thing, stock of the month is also pre-recorded, but the Zoom thing is live. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next thing, one blog every Wednesday is what you get as a perk, which is about like the most important event that has happened in the stock market in that week. It's a simple breakdown of that event. So please understand, even if you enroll for the yearly membership, you are going to get a lot of perks throughout the year, and any additional challenge that I come up with. So I'm not promising that every month I'll come up with a challenge, but I do plan to come up with such challenges every alternate month. You will get a free access to all those challenges. Any challenge that I come up with throughout the year, you will get a free access to that. You need not enroll every single time. So that is the biggest benefit if you enroll for the yearly membership. Okay, so I hope that part is absolutely clear. I'm just going to take quick questions if anyone has it. So I hope, Shashank, your point has been sorted out. Sudhanva, yes, it shows in US dollars initially, but you can change to INR as well, because, like, I showed in the beginning of the video, more than 50% of the members are outside India who want to invest in India. So for them, US dollars as a primary thing is easy. But at the payment page, you can switch to INR as well. No, so Vaibhav is asking, if I'm not sure with the basics as well, will it be beneficial? Ideally, yes. So I'll also tell you, these videos, the 21 videos that I'm going to give you, these are pre-recorded. In fact, I have uploaded. So I'll tell you, there are more than 1,100 or more than 1,200 videos on my YouTube channel, right? Now, I'll be really honest with you. There are some videos which I believe are amazing, class content, but it didn't have a clickbaity title. It didn't have a clickbaity thumbnail, and that is the reason why I felt bad that it had such nice content, but it didn't get viewed by a lot of people. So I've handpicked 21 videos out of 1,200 videos, which I believe were really good quality and which belong to different sectors. That is the best part. So for example, if you are learning about, let's say, a telecom company, which additional factor that you should know is what you will learn. If you're talking about a banking company, which factors you should know. If I'm talking about a hotel industry, which factors. All these videos belong to different sectors. So I'm sure you are going to learn a lot. It's absolutely okay if you don't know about basics. You should be able to understand, right? I know there are a lot of people who are running fake ads. Yes, they are using my picture. I have filed a complaint with the cyber police, but thank you for informing. You also please spread the word. I have informed the police. Thank you. Okay, good question again. When will the challenge open and when will it close daily? There's no close timing per se, but it opens at 12 midnight. Okay, because see, it's a what do I say? Um, Technology driven thing. So we have already uploaded the challenges. It automatically gets unlocked at 12 midnight. Okay, but it's not necessary that it's not like fastest finger first. So any person who completes the challenge first will be the winner or something like that. No, you have to complete the challenge. That is only important, right? So that is one thing. It will be unlocked at 12 midnight. All right. Payment kaisa karna hai? It is you just have to click on the link and the payment will be done after you enter your card details, obviously. I paid around 800. Will it be for 21 days? 800 is like $10, right? So that's a monthly membership that you have applied for. So you will get an access to 1 month perks, including the 21 days challenge. Can I go for month-on-month subscription rather than do it right away? Yes, you can. You can go ahead with a month-on-month subscription. No doubt. I mean, there's no problem in that per se. But the advantage now, basic math. If you go for a monthly membership, it is $20 per month, or I should just say around 1,600 rupees. Even if you apply the discount, 50% discount, it is like 800 rupees per month, right? So multiplied by 12, 800. So $10 into 12 will take you to $120. But if you apply for the yearly membership, it's further discounted to, I think, 108. So obviously yearly membership will be cheaper. No, Vinay. If you are already a pro investor by subscribing for Invest in India, pro investor subscription will not be redundant. See, as I mentioned, every membership has different benefits. So, for example, for Pro Investor membership, every Thursday live stream. So this chat is open for all, but for Thursday live streams, you get a chance to interact. You get a chance to give your answers in the chat box. So that is one perk for Pro Investor members. You also get the stock of the month there, blogs, everything is there, so it will not get redundant, right? So don't feel that it is going to be redundant. Plus, there is a price difference as well. So if you feel that array, you're not going to get that challenge in spite of you are being a Pro Investor. Pro Investor membership is for 399, and the Invest in India community is for 800 rupees. So there's a price difference as well. And you may say that the balance 21 days, it is right there. Prabhunath ji is saying, I have paid $10 now. If I want a yearly subscription now, should I pay full amount for 1 year? Oof. Okay, this is now a tech part. Prabhunath ji, just see if you can go ahead for yearly membership. If not, if you are not able to apply for the yearly membership, my team will contact you. Don't worry, and they will help you out with the yearly membership. Right? You can try it right now, but if you are not able to do it, my team will contact you. Okay? Yes, it is in English, but you know my English is not that difficult to digest, right? It's pretty easy. Can we create auto debit every month like any mandate? Absolutely, yes. It will be auto debited. In fact, it will be auto debited. So anyone who wants to, let's say after like 5-6 months, if you feel that okay, I want to pause for a month or so, you can cancel it at any point you want. It will be an auto debit otherwise. No stock picks. If you are wanting any tips, any picks, this is not for you. Sorry. But yes, if you want to learn, this is for you. What's the difference between YouTube free structure course on fundamental analysis? No, YouTube pay whatever is fundamental analysis is like general YouTube videos put up in a playlist. Nothing else. Yes, even if you're a beginner, ideally you should be able to understand. I don't think that will be a problem. If you just don't understand one or two concepts, you can just try and see. If you know that you are an absolute, so just as an example, if you don't know what is like sales growth, profit growth, then it can become a bit tricky. Itna bhi basic hai to. But if you know some basics, that should be good enough. Okay. See what worst thing will happen, Sudhanva. Out of 100, you will understand 80 things. Correct. That will be the worst thing that will happen. You will not understand 20 things, but at least you will understand 80 things, na? Look at the positive side, right? RuPay card not accepting, only Visa. There were some people who were facing some problem with RuPay cards. Again, Imran, just try and maybe if you have a Visa card, just try using that. If not, again, just drop a WhatsApp message to the number that I've shared. My team will get back to you, right? All right. I think this is what I wanted to share. Excited, super excited for the challenge. And as I mentioned, right, even if you're an absolute beginner, do give it a try. You will be getting lots and lots of knowledge, right? Still some questions getting. Will I get extra edge over other YouTube channels for fundamental analysis of stock market after subscribing your... What extra edge? Over other YouTube channels? I did not understand your question. But I can just say that yes, you'll get good knowledge. Yes, Abha, some things are in common. For example, stock of the month is the biggest common thing in these two, right? But if you are talking about one biggest point for Invest in India membership, that is one live Zoom meeting per month, which happens on the third Saturday of every month. But they don't get an access to the YouTube Thursday live streams, right? So some perks are different, some perks are common, right? All right, there are a lot of people who are still getting confused. One last time, I'll quickly mention, it's okay. Pro Investor membership versus Invest in India membership. Both have some things in common. Yes, both have some things in common. The biggest common thing is the stock of the month, which is applicable for both. Okay, what is different? Pro Investor membership is at 399 rupees. Invest in India is at 800 rupees, roughly. Okay, if I'm talking about 50% off. Then what additional benefits do Invest in India membership get? As I mentioned right now, the 21 days challenge you will get free here in the Invest in India membership. Number 2, one Zoom meeting on every third Saturday where one expert will be invited. I take an interview of one expert. Expert can be around taxation, can be around stock market. Okay. What benefit Invest in India membership community members don't get is they don't get to participate in the Thursday live streams in the chat section. So that is one advantage that the Pro Investor memberships Pro Investor members get over Invest in India membership. So I'll just repeat one more time. Both have some things in common. Both have some things different. You have started so many courses regarding stocks. Which one should I buy, Arpit? If you are an absolute beginner, number one, you should start with basics of stock market, then go ahead with fundamental analysis, then go ahead with technical analysis. And after that, if you feel that I want to still, increase my knowledge, then you can definitely go ahead with something like art of value investing. But 3 are really important: basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Okay. All right. Sunil is saying not showing in INR. But it's okay if your card does have an international. So some cards may require you to enable international payments. Okay, and once you enable international payments, then it will get debited. Okay. Plus, I'll also post that I'm unable to subscribe to yearly membership. How I have. Oh, okay. I'll repeat. Please drop a WhatsApp message to this number. 1 minute. 703852246. Okay, so I'll just repeat: 703852246. This is the WhatsApp number of my team. If you still get if you're not able to join, they'll get back to you. Don't worry. We will ensure that you get to enroll for the membership at the discounted price, right? Shashank says, so if I opt for 1 year, the total amount for 1 year will be debited every month, right? Nahi, Baba. So for yearly membership, it's somewhere around $108. So it will be debited just once and then directly next year. Okay. So if you opt for monthly membership and if you apply the coupon code this time you'll get it at $10. Next month renewal will be at $20. Next month renewal will be at $20. Understand the difference? Okay. But if you enroll directly for yearly membership, once $108 something, 108, oh yes, $108, somewhere around 8,000 rupees, just one time, and directly next year it will be debited. All right, I think for those who had some doubts regarding membership, I have clarified them. Just in case if you joined in late, you can definitely check the stream. I'm going to keep it on our channel, so you can definitely check it out one more time. I hope all the doubts are clear. Last 2 days, including today remaining. And the biggest point that I did not tell, I'm going to tell right now. 3 winners. I'm repeating, 3 winners from this fundamental analysis challenge will get a free access to the technical analysis course. I'm repeating, 3 winners from the 21 days fundamental analysis challenge will get a free access to the technical analysis course, which is worth 10,000 rupees. So imagine the return on investment. If you are applying for the monthly membership also, it's like you are going to invest 800 rupees. If you win, you are going to get a course worth 10,000 rupees. Even if you go ahead with a yearly membership, which is like, what, $100, $108. So that will be around 8,000, 8,500 rupees. And the prize is going to be 10,000 rupees worth a prize. And the knowledge is always invaluable. No doubts on that, right? So that is the biggest one that you can look out for. And plus, like I mentioned, just in case if you have joined in late, you are not going to be competing with people only from India. You are going to compete with people from 22 different countries. India, 148, UAE, United States, Australia, Canada, rest of the world will be 34. So you're going to compete for this 21 days fundamental analysis challenge with people across the globe. So that's going to be a different feeling altogether. So I'm sure as I am excited, so are you. This is just to gain knowledge. I'm repeating one more time. Those who are hardcore traders, those who believe in buying today, selling tomorrow, this is not for you. Please don't enroll. Okay. I really don't want to waste your money. But if you are interested to learn, if you're interested to understand how to invest your knowledge for a longer term stock picking, this is for you. Okay. I'll see why I think I have. Hey, Manju, Bharat Zale Zara. Not daily three winners. It's a 21-day challenge, all put together three winners. Okay. Yes. So one is saying monthly membership done. Good, so one. Nice. All right. Ma'am, I'm learning of stock on one. So if I'm going to pay a course, this course, so should I buy them? If I'm going to pay money for this course, so should I buy this membership? What could I get? Shubham, I've just explained what you're going to get in this membership. So after the stream is over, you can just watch it one more time, right? Thank you. All right. Acha, Shashank says, please answer my last question. Okay, Shashank, kutla hota baba azun? I did answer, Shashank, that if you opt for 1 year, the total amount will be debited every month. Not every month, it will be just debited once. $108 once it will be debited. That's it. Khatam. Directly next year. Daily time, 12 midnight. All right. Thank you for joining in. I hope you have understood everything in detail about the 21 days challenge. Hope to see you in the challenge. The challenge starts day after tomorrow on the auspicious occasion of Gudi Padwa, which is the new year. So hope to see you in the 21 days challenge. I'll see you till then. Take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.